All right, guys, on this particular video, we're going to show you how the tangent theorem works, specifically with how it is applied to a circle that is basically inscribed inside of a triangle. Thing for you to remember on the tangent theorem, for any external point that has two tangent segments that is drawn to the same circle, like I have in this picture. In this picture, I have these segment CD and CE that is tangent to the circle A, meaning it's touching the circle A, the circle centered at A in one place. The relationship between those two tangent segments is that they're equal to each other. So as we take a look in this particular example, in the picture, you know that segment AC, CB, and BA are all tangent to the circle that's centered at O, and they want you to find the perimeter of this triangle. And it looks like they left off a bunch of information, but they really haven't. You just have to remember that this property is from any point that you draw tangent segments to the same circle, those segments are going to be equal to each other. And so what that means is we work through this particular problem. We know that A to F is 11, but we also know that A to D is 11 because they're starting at the same point. And we know that B to D is 24, but we also know B to E is 24 because they're hitting the same circle from the same point. Now, the tricky part is B to C because it looks like they quite don't tell you what you need to know. But remember that when we do B to C, that's 52 minus 24, and that's where that 28 came from. And I had that F to C also posted up there for you. But just remember that that's how you could figure out what it is from B to C, even if you didn't see one of those 28s. And then finally, when they're asking for the perimeter, all you're doing is adding all the numbers up to find the solution. And what I'm going to do on the next slide is give you a similar example where you're going to find the perimeter and you're just going to answer those questions, that question on your own to give you an idea if you see how it works. And so go ahead and find the perimeter of this particular triangle. See if you can figure that out for me.